Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning. Today is our topic about the effect of high and low altitude on the human body. So, first of all, our objective is to learn about the high altitude physiology like hypoxia and high altitude and the high atmospheric pressure of the physiology, like physiological problem with under depth when you goes down below the sea level. Physiological problem with the ascent and means when you suddenly ascend up from the depth of the earth and prevention of this problem. So, let's talk about first the atmosphere, medium in which the aerospace physiology occurs. It is the major zone like troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, up to the 10,000 feet. No signs and symptoms, but mild hypoxia can be acclimatized. Acclimatize, so high altitude called above the 10,000 feet and 80,000 feet altitude where the permanent inhabitation possible. Above 2,000 feet hypoxia endangered life O2 is needed about 30% more than rate of life pressurize the cabin and provide the environmental similar to the sea level. Above 40,000 the zone layer occur. This is the chart when all the gases are combined and their pressures and make the 10760 mmHg of the pressure. And this is the fact when you goes up to the sea level 5,000, 10,000, 15, 18, 20, 40, and this is the pressure and of the gases of some gases and CO2. So hypoxia decrease in the PO2 at high pressure, then it affects the level of altitude, rate of development, acute, subacute, and duration of exposure, like hypoxia for 1 to 2 days or many of the days, acute and chronic. Above 10,000 seen in 75 to 80% in doing the heavy physical works in 3 to 4 days. Person who acclimatize acclimatized to the high altitude stay sea level for the 2 weeks and again rapidly descend. Like it is a mechanism of the high altitude pulmonary edema, like sympathetic activation. After that, the vasoconstriction. After that, the increased capillary hydrostatic pressure, increase in the capillary drive the fluid out the pulmonary capillaries and develop the pulmonary edema. Acute mountain sickness includes when a person ascends from the sea level for the 1 or 2 days, develop 8 to 24 hours and lasts for 4 to 8 days. Its mechanism includes the low pressure of oxygen, partial pressure of oxygen, arterial dilation, because after the arterial dilation, it is regulated by the cerebral autoregulation. Uh, Beyond this, increase in capillary pressure and increase the transition of the fluid in the brain tissues. Acute mountain sickness treatment like the glucocorticoids and heavy acetazolamide as it decreases the positive ion excretion by kidney by inhibition of the carbon anhydrase. And after that, the chronic mountain sickness among species occur in the long-term residents of the high altitude develop the polycythemia, cyanosis, malaise, fatigue, exercise intolerance. There are two types of the accommodation and acclimatization. Acclimatization. Accommodation immediate reflex adjust of respiratory and cardiovascular system of exhaustion, hyperventilation and tachycardia, and increase in the 2-3 and DPG due to the hypoxia and alkalosis. Changes in the body tissue in response to the long-term exposure, polycythemia due to the polycythemia means the erythrocytosis, erythropoietic factor, tachypnea, loss of the braking effect of the CO2, CVS, tachycardia increase, and CO2 forcing contraction. Effect of other effects like it reduce the rapid decompression when exposed to sudden low pressure to the all gases expand, affect GIT disturbance, RS destroy, paranasal cyanosis, tissue damage, and decompression sickness. Like every 10,000 feet, at 2 degree is a decrease at 10,000 minus 0, 20,000 minus 22, and 40,000 like it is minus 44. So irritation and it effect on the skin of the light rays is the skin irritation. Atmospheric pressure of the 70 at a high level is one atmospheric pressure 433 feet depends increased by the one atmospheric pressure high at deep sea diving submarine and cation works education workers who works under the sea or under the depth of the sea due to mechanical fault due to the high pressure of the respiratory gases, and it includes when the pressure is increases, you first of all after that to the 30 meters caving the chest and damage your face, like your face structure, and squeezing of air into the paranasal and the middle layer. Effect of the PO2 effect of the like increase partial pressure of nitrogen, like nitrogen necrosis. Effect of the carbon dioxide. Effect of the increased PO2 includes like if we talk about the toxicity is disorientation, indigenous convulsion and coma, and the irritation of the airways, pulmonary edema, atelectasis and bronchial pneumonia. Like for ATM pressure increase after that the release of PO2 and superoxide anion free radical and oxidize of the PUF of cell membrane and enzyme, and it cause damage the cell. After the effect of PN2 in like nitrogen necrosis, it is PN2 increases because N2 dissolves in the fats. Then after that, it alters the ionic conduction because it is present in the neurons, and it decreases the excitability of the neurons and nitrogen toxicity. Effect of the carbon dioxide build-up, like a person re-breathes CO2, passes of CO2 long time in the body fluid, the toxic level, respiratory acidosis, and CO2 necrosis. Physiological problem like Cation disease, compressed of air, and the band's diver palsy cause under the high pressure on nitrogen breathes air dissolved in the body fluids and fats. When the will see to the sea level nitrogen decompress and escape from the tissue, the form of bubbles. This bubble block the vessel because and then this bubble move with your blood and cause maybe this bubble cause the blockage of the blood vessel ischemia and infarction, pain joints, sensation of numbness, shocks, paralysis, neurological symptoms, dizziness and collapse. Treatment include the tank decompression, diverse pressurized tank, and the decompression is done to the dissolved bubble. Pressure will lower back to the normal. Due to the entry of air, due to the entry of the air into the blood circulation and the rupture of the pulmonary capillaries, arteries, vein, and sudden expansion of the gases lung due to the sudden fall in the atmospheric pressure occur at the Kaizen workers and rockets. Symptoms include chest pain, tachypnea, system hypertension, hypoxemia. Sometimes air emboli to the system circulation to death. So prevention, measure of short duration dive up to 20-meter, take rapid and deep breaths before the diving. CO2 washes out and N2 does not get enough time to dissolve or to toxicity does not occur. So use of breathing apparatus like give gas, breathe and either dissolve CO2 closed circuit or bubbles out in the water open circuits. Scuba diving. Use of breathing machine container of helium and low oxygen concentration prevent oxygen toxicity and slow ascent of a use of decompression tank. Thank you so much.